Up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the A8 2K18. And let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The S9 Plus is having 6GB of RAM and it is the Exynos 9810 model, and A8 2K18 is having 4GB of RAM and it is 7885 Exynos model. So you can see there is no app running in the background and both the devices are connected to the same internet connection. We have started the stopwatch in both the devices and we are on to the first round of our speed test. In the first round we will be seeing which device loads these set of applications at a faster rate, and you can see both the devices right now are going head to head. And in the second round we will be having a look at the RAM management test of both the devices. Actually I have tested the S9 Plus with other devices and it is not performing up to the mark, maybe because it is not very well optimized to its hardware. Actually it is taking too much time to complete its process. So I am just interested to see it comparing it with A8 to see if it can compete with this device. Actually this was on Samsung Experience version 8.5 and the S9 Plus is on Samsung Experience version 9, which is proving to be slow. So that's why I selected to compare it with this cell phone. And you can see right now both the devices are on Amazon and both the devices are now moving to Temple Run 2, and let's see which device enables it faster. I think S9 Plus should take the lead, but A8 has opened it at a faster rate and A8 is now onto the color switch and the S9 Plus is also onto the color switch. Actually the A8 is taking a lot of time to open the color switch and we are onto the pinout, and both the devices have opened the pinout and we are onto the final application, the Asphalt 8, and the first round by that opening this application will be closed, and we will be having a look at how much time each device has taken to complete the first round. And let's see the time taken by each device. And A8 has taken a time of 1 minute and 30 seconds and the S9 Plus has taken a time of 1 minute and 31 seconds to be precise. So by now S9 Plus this round, actually I have noticed that this Samsung Experience version 9 is not that much optimized to the hardware. That's why it is not up to the mark yet, and Samsung may be offering some updates in the future. Now let's move to the second round of RAM management test and open the applications which are present in the background and see if all the applications are there we were left when we were in the first round. And right now everything is just going great and perfect in both the devices. They have just kept each and everything where we left. So 6GB of RAM and 4GB of RAM in both the devices is actually enough to have these applications running in the background. So let's see the time taken by each device at the end, and the S9 Plus has completed it in 2 minutes and 3 seconds while A8 is completing it in 2 minutes and 4 seconds. So the second round is won by the S9 Plus while the first round was won by A8. So you can clearly see that in the RAM management section S9 Plus is just outperforming each and every device, but in the first round where we are looking at the speed, the S9 Plus is not yet up to the mark. It is not very well optimized. So maybe in future the updates will be there and the software will be very well optimized to its hardware. For that we have to wait, and I will be comparing that too when the updates will be available. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.